Solve this exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the exponent of this term. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the exponent and then solve for it. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression, and in fact to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. 32 can be rewritten as 2 to the 5th power. So that changes the equation to 2 to the 3x minus 7 equals 2 to the 5th. Notice that with this form of the equation, both terms have the same base, 2. When you have an equation like this, simply create a new equation with just the exponents. So we get 3x minus 7 equals 5. We add 7 to both sides of the equation and get 3x equals 12. To solve for x, divide both sides of the equation by 3 and we get x equals 4. When solving exponential equations, look for ways of rewriting expressions so that they have a common base. When you can do that, you can then write a new equation using the terms in the exponents.